Hi, I'm Navid Ansari, and in this video we're gonna continue talking about our smart contract for creating NFT characters. Let's begin. So in last video we did create a function for adding characters and we did use an ID, okay? But for simplicity, I don't want to use this ID, okay? So let's just delete this. And instead of telling this ID, I want to create a counter, okay? So for example, the ID is uint32. So let's just create a variable for here, for example, okay? uint 32 counter, okay? Believe me, it's the best way to do it. And at default, it will be 0. And let's just make it public so we can access it everywhere, okay? No, I want to use this character counter that at default, when we deploy it, it's 0 instead of this ID, okay? And after we create our character and we push it, we can decrease this character counter by ++ in it. So we add 1 to character counter. So with that, now we can create a function for getting the characters, okay? So for example, we say function get character, and for the input we need an ID of uint32 because the ID is 32-bit, okay? And with that, first of all, we should declare it as public so we can access it everywhere. And now with that, we want to return something like we talked about it in last video. We should make it as a view, and we want to tell it that it will returns a character, okay? So with that, this function knows that it will return a character. And now here we can say return from character, that the ID of that is this ID, okay? So if we want to get the character number 0, we put 0 in here and it will get us the character number 0. And it gives us an error. It says it should have a semicolon at the end of it. And it gives us an error, and it says that this character that we put in here that we want to return, it should be on memory, okay? So we put memory in here. Now everything is okay. Let's just compile it and test it. First of all, let's just delete everything, compile it and deploy it. It will deploy it to test blockchain that we set in here. Now let's just add some character. The level we want it to be 1, rarity 100, price 1, speed 10, and hit point 5, for example. Let's just create that, and with that we did create that. If we click on this character count, now it will show us that there is 1 character in this, and with this get character function we can get that character. Just put 0 because we just have 1 character, get character, and it will give you in a tuple, okay? Don't worry about tuple, I will talk about it. And you can see it says it is a tuple of uint8, uint32, uint8, uint. They have all of these types, but after that it gives us the level, and after that the ID, after that the rarity, and all of those information. It will give us this way, and this way we can use it in JavaScript and in gamemaker easier, okay? So now we have our get character function. In the next video, I will talk about how you can deploy this contract in a local testnet that is called Ganache. Just download that, okay? Download Ganache, okay? And in here, you can download it and install it, and I will see you in the next video, and I will show you how you can use this Ganache testnet and how we can deploy on this Ganache and how we can test it with the gamemaker. So please, if you want to help me and you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.